alphabets, and it will be having symbols. Now of course the alphabets is also part of a symbol, but I write it like this. Now symbol here means plus, okay, concatenation, okay, and the star, this much, okay, along with all epsilon, everything. Along with these things, you use an alphabet to make sure that you represent what is known as a regular expression. That's all, nothing more in this. There is no diagrams, all those things are not going to come here. Only the expression needs to be written always, okay. That you got to keep in mind, that it will always be in terms of expression. Okay, so let me sort of go into this. Okay, what are the examples for it and what needs to be done and all. First and foremost, let me take one example. The simplest of example will probably be like this: a plus b the star. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is very simple. It is nothing but a set of strings having a's and b. Okay, it's a set of strings having a. See, what is the meaning of plus? Plus means union. Union means it will be having a also and b also. Okay, set of strings having a and b of any length. Can I say very clearly any length? Yes, it can be of any length, including epsilon, because you have a star symbol here. Okay, so including the epsilon, which is nothing but a null string also, it is nothing but a set of strings of a's and b's of any length, including the null string. Then the second example. The second example is basically, again I'll write the same thing, a plus b star, then I'll write a b p. Again, what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is very simple. It is a set of strings of a and b of any length, right? It is of any length, but it is but ending with, okay, that's very important, right? Ending with ABB. It should always end with ABB, because that is what is clearly written here. Okay, if I go for the next one, maybe the third one, okay, in very simple way I can write the same thing like this. Just a little bit of modifications. What is the meaning of this? It is a string that starts with ABB and then a length of a plus b in any length. Okay, it's of any length. Okay, or third example, or the fourth example, sorry. Okay, so if I write a plus b, then I have again just say a, then again I say a plus b, then the whole star like this. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is very simple. Okay, it is a set of strings of a's and b's having a substring ab. In between you have a substring ab. So before that you have anything of any length. After this you have a string of a plus b, which basically means containing strings a and b of any length. Okay, this is something that you need to sort of remember. See, what is our intention? Our intention is to make sure that we get to know what is the way regular expressions are written. These are the way the regular expressions are written, and that is what you clearly see right here. And of course the meanings also be not sort of remembered. Okay, now one thing that is going to happen here is they are going to give you what is known as a question. Okay, they'll be telling you in terms of, okay, this is the a question and you have to write a regular expression for it. It's as simple as that. Okay, so the way of you do this will become very important, right? So let me take few of the examples in terms of what is the question would be and how we are going to solve about it. Okay, so let's sort of look into it. Okay, first let's take the first example. Okay, the first example, how the question would be and what needs to be done. Think that we are going to take the same old example. Think, obtain a regular expression. So let me write the question that you need to obtain a regular expression, okay, to accept the language. See, the way you understand the question becomes very important. Okay, to accept the language consisting of yes and b, okay, with what is the thing they are saying, with alternate a and b. That is what they are saying, with alternate a and b. They want you to write a regular expression for this. The question very clearly you can understand that you need to think of a and b. So absolutely one thing is for sure, that the input as alphabets a and b. Okay, and they're clearly saying that it has to be in terms of alternate a and b. Okay, using this, so what and all can be done? Very simple. Alternate a and b means either you will be having a and b or b and a. That's simple. And they're saying of any length, right? With alternate a and b. So what is the way of writing it? The way of writing it is very simple. So you just have to write a regular expression. Okay, so when they're saying alternate between A and B, that can be written in a way like this. What is it? A and B of any length star. Okay, this is one way of writing it. So what will this be reducing it? It will be giving like this: A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, like that, right? But they're saying alternate A and B. So can it be BA also? Correct. This is also right. So what is the meaning of this? This is nothing but BA, 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 like this. Okay. But what if I want to have something like A, B, A? Or what if I want to have B, A, B? Can I deduce from these two? No, because it will be getting I'm getting A, B, A, B, like this. Okay, it will be they're coming together, A, B, A, B, A, B. I want only A, B, A. That is not going to happen here, because of course very clearly AB is going to come along with it. AB, then again AB, then again AB. In here it will be BA, 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 like this. Okay, see, alternate A and B means there is one way of doing this. The other one way is doing this. Other one way is to make sure that you are writing this also, right? So what is a way we can sort of figure out for this? It's very simple. Okay, if I just write an A and then write a B, A star. What is the meaning of this? The meaning is very simple. It says A, then any length of BA. So it will be if I take one length, it will be BA. Then again I have to write A, then again any length of BA. So it will be maybe BA, again BA. See, again you can see very clearly this is also having alternate A and B only. This is with regard to one way of doing it. What's the other way of doing it? Other way of doing it is like this: B, then you have AB star. This is also becoming same thing, right? B, then you got AB, or if you take